OnePlus kicked off its Road Trip initiative in 2022, where it delivered a retail experience through a truck acting like a mobile showroom on wheels across the northeastern part of India. The brand has now entered the second phase of this initiative and is calling it OnePlus Road Trip Futurebound. Hey everyone, my name is Ishan, this is Gadgets 360, and in this video, we'll take a closer look inside OnePlus's new mobile store. So, let's get started. OnePlus hosted an event in New Delhi as its new trucks embark on a journey to 25 cities in India. These trucks by Mercedes-Benz can transform into fully functional mobile showrooms where users can experience a variety of OnePlus devices firsthand. The truck has these glass side walls with OnePlus decals and glow signs. As we go inside, we are greeted with these LED lights that look kinda cool and give off a OnePlus experience store vibe. Consumers can experience the products displayed on both sides of the truck, and in the center is the main highlight of this experience, the OnePlus 11 concept. This prototype is on display for everyone to have a look at for the first time in India, after it was showcased at MWC 2023 in Barcelona. Other products on display include the OnePlus 11 series, OnePlus Pad, OnePlus Buds Pro 2, OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite, OnePlus Nord Buds 2, OnePlus Keyboard 8.1 Pro, and the OnePlus Monitor X27. The one product that stood out was the OnePlus 5G Sketchbot, an AI robotic arm which can remotely mimic the drawing that you make on the companion app. It records your hand movements and strokes to create the image or text and is definitely fun to play with. The OnePlus Road Trip Futurebound is a unique experience, and if you see one of the trucks in your area, I would suggest you check it out yourself. Do let us know what you think of this initiative by OnePlus in the comments. That's it for this video. See you guys in the next one. Until then, keep following Gadgets 360 for all things tech.